Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel.
Happy new month to all of my supporters. Thanks for your support. I'm here with a new recipe for you guys. I will be teaching you on how to make this delicious, tasty mushrooms and shrimp. And these are the simple ingredients that you will need to make this dish. So here's the shrimp. I have bell peppers, onion, mushrooms, carrots, pepper, thyme, spring onion, and garlic. I will be preparing the shrimp now. So here I'm putting the shrimp in my bowl. I will now set this aside and allow it to thaw. Once it's thawed out, I'll come back and show you how I'm removing the shell. So now here is the mushroom, and I'm going to show you how to clean your mushroom. Okay, so first we're going to remove this stem. You can use a measuring spoon to do this, like that. So once you remove the stem, then you inspect the mushroom for any little insect or so. Okay. Adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda to my mushroom, and this will help to clean it properly. So here I'm rubbing my mushroom, making sure that I'm getting off all the dirt from it. Look how clean it is looking already. Look at this. So now I'm going to damp a piece of paper towel, and I'm going to use the paper towel to wipe it off. Look at that, guys. Yes. Now that I've finished wiping the mushroom, here I'm cutting them into small pieces, and you can cut them in whichever way you like. Here it is. This is what it looks like after I finish slicing them. Now I'll put these in my bowl and put it to the side while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. Here's my bell pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare the bell pepper, the carrots, onion, spring onion. So stay tuned and follow along. Thank you so much. To be preparing the carrots now, and the carrots I'm going to be scraping the carrots, and then I'm going to cut the carrots into small pieces. And guys, if it's your first time here on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Share this video out to your friends and family, and tell someone about Carla's Kitchen CC. Thank you so much again for your support. Go ahead and remove the shell from the shrimp like this. Look at it, and this shrimp, they already devein it, guys, so it's already removed. So all I have to do now is just remove the shell and wash them off nicely and season them. pepper, sazon, onion powder, thyme, ginger. Mix well, ensuring that each shrimp is seasoned evenly. Here is unsalted butter, and I will be using this in my recipe as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pot. Once this is melted a little bit, I'm going to go ahead now and add in my chopped onions, followed by the rest of my ingredients. Here I'm adding the mushrooms to the pot, and I'm going to lightly season my mushrooms, and you can use any seasoning of your choice in this recipe. I'm also adding a little bit of cayenne pepper here just to kick up the flavor. Now I'm going to add the shrimp to the pot, stir well. I'm adding a little bit of water here, followed by my bell peppers, my thyme, spring onions. I'm going to stir this up, adding my scotch bonnet pepper here. Then I'm going to cover my pot, and I'm going to allow this to cook for 6 minutes. Let's look on the pot. Yes, the shrimp cooking down nicely along with the mushrooms, and it smells so delicious. Look at this delicious pot of shrimp and mushroom, guys. It tastes so good, smells so delicious. Look at what we have here. Wow, you can have this just like that, or you can have it with some rice or some boiled dumplings, banana, whatever you like to have it with. Look at it, guys. Please like up the video, share the video out, comment, tell me what you think about this recipe, this dish. Thank you all so much to all my supporters. I thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, my videos. I appreciate you all. Without you, I couldn't have done this, and I appreciate each and every one that, you know, helped me along the way on my journey here. Thanks a lot, guys. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Let God be the head of your life. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Love upon yourselves, guys. Walk good, do good, be good, and of course, indeed, good will always follow you. This is one amazing, delicious platter right here, guys. My mouth is running, guys. Too much talking now. I need to go consume this. I can't wait to dig in it. Who else want to enjoy this delicious meal with me? Indicate in the comment section and let me know, okay? And tell me if you ever had mushrooms before and how you like your mushrooms. Okay, guys, thanks again. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks a lot to everyone. And I will be bringing more mushrooms recipe here for you guys to try out. Okay, so don't worry, I got you. Just continue supporting and continue sharing, and remember to comment and thumbs up. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Wow, I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Take care of yourselves.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Bye.